Hey guys, it's PokeJoe here. Today we are opening up 3 packs of Steam Siege. Just saw them, thought I'd pick them up. So yeah, let's crack on. Give you guys this code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We have got a Rufflet, Larvesta, Joltik, Tangela, Poinard, Rapidash, Steelix Spirit Link, Nidorino, Fungus, and a full art Pokemon Ranger. Cool. Second one of them. Happy with that. Would have preferred the Professor Sycamore, but oh well. Where'd I put them? Over there. Pack 2. So I'll give you that one as well. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. We got a Croagunk, Shellos, Mankey, Aipom, Drifloon, Ninja Boy, Anorith, Pokemon Ranger, Reverse Lampent, and Amoonguss. Last pack. Can't get it open. There we go. Oh, where's the code card? I'm going to hang on to that code card just so I can use it in the TCGO for more of my pack openings on there. We got a Joltik, Clink, Tangela, Croagunk, Shellos, Clang, Steelix Spirit Link, Nuzleaf, Reverse Litleo, and a full art Mega Gardevoir. Third one of those that I've pulled, but still 2 full arts from 3 packs. That's very good. So cool, all duplicates but still nice. And that does bring an end to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop me a like. And if you want to see more, I upload pretty much daily, so yeah. This has been PokeJoe, signing off.